The moment the water stops flowing, collapse has already begun. Not when the shelves empty, not when fuel runs dry, but when pressure in the pipes drops below operational minimum and air enters the lines. That is the silent trigger most people never see coming. Municipal water systems rely on constant pressure to prevent contamination from infiltrating through microscopic cracks in aging infrastructure. When supply chains fail, whether from natural disaster, grid failure, chemical spill, or transportation breakdown, treatment chemicals stop arriving. Chlorine deliveries pause, pumps lose power, pressure falls, and the system designed to protect you becomes a vector of biological risk within hours. Most assume water becomes dangerous only when it looks dirty or smells foul. That misunderstanding has cost lives in hurricanes, earthquakes, and prolonged outages. The most dangerous pathogens are invisible: E. coli, Giardia, Cryptosporidium, Vibrio. These organisms do not announce themselves. The hidden science is simple but rarely discussed. Once pressure drops, contaminated groundwater can infiltrate through joints in pipes. Backflow from homes and businesses can siphon untreated water into the grid. Without disinfectant residuals maintained at precise parts per million concentrations, microbial replication accelerates exponentially. Evidence from post-disaster assessments shows boil water advisories are often issued too late. After Hurricane Maria, large portions of Puerto Rico's population consumed contaminated water before warnings propagated. Following winter grid failures in Texas, pressure laws triggered widespread advisories within hours. The survival implication is stark. If distribution falters, you must assume contamination immediately. Waiting for official confirmation wastes critical time. The escalation is not dramatic, it is biological. Diarrheal illness leads to dehydration. Dehydration impairs cognition. Impaired cognition compromises decision-making. In a grid-down scenario, that cascade can become fatal, especially when medical infrastructure is strained. Water security is not about comfort. It is about preserving physiological stability when systems fracture. So the real question is not whether you have bottled water stored. It is whether you understand purification as a layered process: filtration, disinfection, and safe storage. Because when the trucks stop delivering treatment chemicals, the responsibility transfers instantly from centralized engineering to individual action,